that's Belle. Welcome back to Resin Belle. Today is an unboxing. I got the Owlery, which is the Wizarding Trunk. And I think they're kind of in the middle of switching up their names and stuff. But I love these little boxes. This is the first one I've gotten. And the box is just so cute. I love that it's brown and it has the owls on it. And the Owlery is just such a good idea. It says fragile magical delivery. So owl post. So we're gonna get into this box, and I am so excited about this one. It is a bi-monthly subscription box, and they had a specialty box for Halloween that I ordered, and it will be coming in October at some point, and I'm really excited about that one because it's going to be awesome. So get into this box. It says, "Dear Witch or Wizard, greetings from the Ministry. Enclosed you will find your license for independent wizarding travel, giving that you have taken and completed the 12-week apparition course," which of course I have. "Received your certificate of completion and paid all applicable fees, for license has now been issued. The license may appear blank, however, please do not attempt to fill in any witch or wizard's information other than your own. The parchment that this license is printed on has been spelled so that only the recipient can fill in their own personal information. This license gives you permission to travel from one location to another without traversing the space in between. Please keep in mind this license is only valid for a single wizarding travel. If you wish for other witches or wizards to travel with you, you must test and upgrade to a side-along license. Hoping you are well, head of department." And it's got this cute little Ministry of Magic paper. So this is the inside of the box. Lots of pretty paper crinkles. So I guess we'll just start with this one. Cute little brown box. It's heavy. Looks like, ooh, the pitch. Oh, neat. Scent, fresh air, flying, sweet grass, and dandelion. The Inflammar candles. It has a cute little Quidditch looking label on it. Very cute. The jar is really dark. Oh, it's kind of fun. Ooh, look how pretty. Hopefully you guys can see just how freaking cute that is. That's adorable. That smells nice. I have a hard time with candles because a lot of times I don't like the scent of them. I like kind of berry scents, but this one is nice. Like, it kind of is exactly what the label says it is. It just smells so clean and fresh, and it doesn't smell like laundry soap or anything like that. It just, that smells nice. I like that. That is really nice. So, a nice little candle here. Let's see what's in this one. This one is quite heavy as well. Let's see here. Something breakable, bubble wrapped. Looks like we've got a potion bottle. Ooh. Pure Blood Apothecary, Dittany, a powerful healing herb used in many healing potions. This herb can be consumed raw, but is not nearly as effective as when used in potion making. That is a really pretty little potion bottle. How cute is that? I love that. And it's got the seal on top with the D for Dittany. That is really pretty. I love that potion bottle. That is a gorgeous bottle. Okay, and then we've got, oh, cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so adorable. Okay, so here, this looks like it's like a coffee sleeve for a hot mug. Yeah, it's like insulated sleeve. But it has like spell books and Ron Weasley's broken wand and then it has his little rat Scabbers, and then when they were trying to turn Scabbers into a cup, and it ended up being a rat cup with a tail. That is really adorable. I love that. That is so cute. Okay, let's see here. The Wizarding Trunk exclusive. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so cool. That is too cute. Oh, I love that. It's got the rat cup. Oh, super cute. Okay. And then this one, cute little drawstring pouch. Let's see what we've got in here. Got a little pouch. Oh, that is so cool. It says, honestly, how did you two manage to transfigure her brooch into a holder for a non-magical cellular phone? Well, you two better figure out how to put it back right before she finds out. And before you ask, no, I am not doing it for you. H for Hermione. Oh, that is gorgeous. So then you have the little brooch, but it's like a ring for your phone. That is so cool. I love that. Super cute. This is a really good box, you guys. Wow. Wow. And here we have a little zip pouch that says, do-it-yourself broomstick servicing kit. I don't know what this is going to be. So, high quality broomstick polish. Broom polish detox face soap. So then that's like a face soap. Very cute. And this Whitehorn's Do-It-Yourself Broomstick Servicing Kit Notes Volume 1. It's a little notebook. And then this, that is super cute. There's like this little pendant, and it says broomstick, exclusive broomstick service kit. And it has a little broom. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's not wanting to focus all that well. But it has the little broom in it, and then like the north, south, east, west. So that is really cute. And the little pouch that it goes in. Super cute. But all the things in here are really nice quality. Very well thought out. Super, super cute. Got something coming out here. Ooh. I don't know what this is, but look how pretty it is. It's like foiled. Let's see here. This is probably by far my favorite box that I have, a subscription box that I've opened. I'm really looking forward to the Halloween one. These are the book covers. That is beautiful. Charms Changing, the complete guide to transfiguration, spells, and switching. Look how pretty that is. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait to put that on a book. That's going to be awesome. Very, very, very nice. Very nice indeed. Oh, that each one of these has a different symbol on the inside. That is very, very nice. I love that. Okay. Come on, come on. Slide that back in there to keep it safe for now. So here, this is Owl Post Service. Kind of inside is the license for independent wizard travel. Very cute. And it's done on wood, like a wood veneer. That is super cute. Name, date of birth, wand, wood, wand core, date, issued, signature, issuing, wizard, the wizarding trunk. That's really nice. Very, very nice. So, and then the last item in this box looks like, yes, last item is a really nice little, kind of like a little poster, a little printable poster here for Transfiguration. That is really, really nice. It says, to cast this spell, tap the animal 3 times, say the incantation, and use the wand movement here. Items needed, animal of choice, wand, level surface. Caution, this spell is only to be used on animals. When attempting this on other objects or humans, the results will be subpar. Incantation, translation, I truly exchange. Very cute. That is adorable. Very cool. I like that. So this has been a amazing box. There's been a lot of stuff in here. I mean, the little you know, poster and the travel license, and the book cover is just absolutely fantastic. It's gorgeous and foiled and looks very expensive, and it's just really nice. The do-it-yourself broomstick servicing kit, that's really cute. That's a cool little idea there. This was absolutely gorgeous. I'm definitely going to put that on my phone because it's so cute. Stick that back in the pouch for right now. The pen was really cool, and it kind of went with the little coffee sleeve for your mug or whatever. And then the Quidditch pitch, the pitch candle. I love the top of it. It just looks so pretty. It's so gorgeous and sparkly. And it smells nice. I mean, you could probably just leave that like on your desk and, you know, have the smell. It's really nice. And then the potion bottle is gorgeous. I've heard about their potion bottles being beautiful and well done, and they absolutely are 100% gorgeous. So I'm definitely looking forward to getting more of these boxes because that's going to be really, really wonderful. So, wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'm very excited about this box. It's so cool. So, you know, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I will be back with another unboxing soon and more interesting stuff happening. I am in the background working on things for my Resin Bell channel, new molds, all that kind of exciting things. Got some more Sophie and Toffee boxes that I need to get into and get some stuff made, so it's coming very soon. Just got a lot to get through, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!